All right, this is Solaray time-released vitamin C. This is up to 500 milligrams per dosage or per serving per se. On the side, it shows you 500 milligrams per serving as ascorbic acid. And they have rose hips in here as well. I know, as well as other ingredients, which you should also read. So here it is, and I'm just going to go ahead and open it up so you can see what they look like. All right, so there's a safety seal right here, and open it up right here, and here is another safety seal. You make sure you peel this back. Once you peel it back, put the top back on, and for per serving, it says 1 veggie cap right here. So I'm going to open it up and let you see the veggie cap. All right, and this is the veggie cap that they're talking about right here. So this is 1 serving for the time-released vitamin C. I'm going to go ahead and try it out and see how it is. So it went down easy. It didn't stick or anything. It went down easy without much hassle. It works pretty well. I'll give this a try. All right, so this is the fast-acting, long-lasting, time-released vitamin C by Solaray. I hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.